Hey everyone! Today I'm reviewing something really cool. Smart glasses that can play music, take calls, and even use voice assistants, all without touching your phone. These are the AI Chashma Shade Urban Smart Glasses, and in this video, I'll explain everything step by step in the simplest way possible. Let's start. Inside the box, you get the smart glasses, a pouch, and a user manual. A magnetic charging cable, an app card, cleaning cloth. So everything you need is already included. Now, first impression. These look just like normal sunglasses. They're lightweight, stylish, and very comfortable to wear. But the interesting part is hidden. There are small speakers near your ears and touch controls on the sides. Some versions also come with photochromatic lenses, which means they automatically adjust depending on sunlight. Now let's quickly understand the specifications in a very simple way. The sound is clear and loud enough for daily use. You can stay connected within about 10 meters, so your phone doesn't need to be in your hand. The battery is built into both sides of the frame. You get around 5 hours of usage for music or calls and up to 50 hours on standby. Charging takes about 1.5 hours using a simple charger. Now let's talk about the main features. You can take calls directly from the glasses, listen to music without earphones, and control everything using touch. There's also voice assistant support, so you can use commands hands-free. You can even use it as a remote shutter for your phone camera. Now comes the most important part, how to use these glasses. And don't worry, it's super simple. First, turning them on. There's no power button. Just open the arms of the glasses and they turn on automatically. Fold them back and they turn off. Next, connecting to your phone. Turn the glasses on, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, look for the device name, and tap to connect. Once connected, you're ready to go. For volume, press and hold. Left side increases volume, right side decreases volume. Now controlling music. Right side for the next song. Left side for the previous song. For voice assistant, tap multiple times on the left side and it will activate, and then just speak your command. And for the camera, simply open your phone camera and tap the glasses to take a photo. Now calls. Tap once to answer. Tap again to end the call. Press and hold to reject. Because these glasses use open ear audio, you don't have to put anything inside your ears, which means less ear fatigue and much more comfort for long use. You stay aware of your surroundings. Photochromatic lenses. These lenses automatically adjust in sunlight, reducing glare and helping protect your eyes from harsh light. So overall, these smart glasses are perfect for everyday use. If you want style, convenience, and smart